How to buy fish token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Go and find it there. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click on market sale. As you can see, you will find the Radium. Now click here on the pair, and as you can see, click here on the trade on Radium, and you will be redirected to Radium page to be able to buy this token. Now what you need to do here, just click on I understand, connect your wallet for that, for example BitGet wallet. Now what you need to do here, you need to add your token here to be able to buy it. Now go back to that token page, copy the token address from here. As you can see, it's under the Solana network. Now here, click on it, select the Solana as your network, paste the token address. As you can see, click on this plus icon to add it to your list. Now click on it. As you can see, this is our token. Now select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure first you have that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now after that, click on stop and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy fish token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.